Hi, my name is Catherine Schultz, and this is my teaching demonstration video geared towards grades 9 through 12. I'm coming to you live from in the field just beneath the summit of Ruby Mountain, which is right behind me. Today I'm going to demonstrate how geologists identify rocks in the field using basic techniques such as a porcelain scratch plate, my fingernail, as well as a hand lens. All rocks are classified by how they are formed, and there are three different types of rocks: igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary. The first kind of rock, igneous, is formed beneath the surface and has very large crystals that can be seen by the naked eye. When I use the scratch plate, it actually scratches it, which means that the rock is harder than the scratch plate, which on the Mohs hardness scale is approximately a 7. Using my hand lens, which I don't need on this rock because the crystals are so big, I can see it right here. And these crystals, the rock actually can be used in countertops. The next type of rock is metamorphic. And metamorphic rocks are reheated beneath the surface, and the reheating process actually divides the layers into alternating light and dark. Now, these dark layers in here, which is biotite, if I scratch that with my fingernail, it flakes very easily, which means that it's approximately a 2.5 on the Mohs hardness scale. If I scratch it, the scratch is colorless. It didn't leave any mark in there. Now, economically, the sparkly biotite stuff in there is used in glitter in arts and crafts. The last type of rock is sedimentary rock. This sedimentary rock is very, very famous worldwide, and it gives the entire world energy. This is coal. Now, coal is formed when a swamp is reheated, so not quite metamorphic, but it's reheated such that a bunch of dead stuff is piling on top of it, which buries it further and further beneath the surface. So it's not technically a metamorphic rock, but it is sedimentary. So if I scratch it with my fingernail, nothing happens. So this rock is definitely harder than a 2.5. If I take it to our porcelain scratch plate here and I scratch it, it leaves a black mark, which means that the coal is not as hard as the scratch plate. And coal is very, very important for how it's forming, as well as for energy worldwide. And there we have it, how geologists use basic techniques in the field to identify the three common rock types. Thank you for watching and for your consideration into the TEP at the University of Denver.